In the bustling city of Brightsburg, nestled in a cozy apartment, lived a curious hamster named Harold. Harold was no ordinary hamster. He had a tiny pair of glasses perched on his nose. His owner, a little girl named Lily, loved him dearly and often told him stories of the city's wonders. Harold's curiosity grew with each story, and one night he decided it was time to explore. As the moon hung high and the city lights twinkled, Harold squeezed through a small crack in the window and set off on his grand adventure. The city was a vast and wondrous place, filled with towering buildings, bustling streets, and countless hidden corners. Harold scampered through the alleyways. He soon found himself in a park, where he encountered a group of friendly pigeons. "Hello there," Harold greeted them, adjusting his tiny glasses. "I'm Harold, and I'm exploring the city." The pigeons cooed and flapped their wings in delight. "Welcome, Harold," said Percy, the head pigeon. "We can show you the best sights in Brightsburg." The pigeons took Harold under their wings, quite literally. Percy lifted Harold onto his back, and they soared into the sky. From above, Harold saw the sparkling river, the majestic bridges, and the sprawling parks. The city looked magical from this height, a twinkling sea of lights. They landed near the Brightsburg Library, a grand building with towering columns and endless shelves of books. Inside, Harold found a secret door leading to a hidden section just for animals. There he met Oliver, an old and wise owl who was the keeper of the animal library. "Welcome, Harold," Oliver hooted. "I've heard of your adventures. Here you can learn the secrets of the city." Oliver showed Harold ancient maps and told him stories of the city's history. Harold was fascinated and spent hours reading and listening, his tiny glasses slipping down his nose as he pored over the books. As dawn approached, Harold knew it was time to return home. Percy and the pigeons flew him back to his apartment just in time for Lily to wake up. Harold slipped back through the window. Lily found Harold fast asleep in his cage, dreaming of his grand adventure. She smiled, wondering what adventures her little hamster had dreamed of. And every night, as Harold listened to Lily's bedtime stories, he knew that the city of Brightsburg held endless possibilities, and that his next adventure was just a dream away. Harold's big adventure in the city of Brightsburg is a tale of curiosity, friendship, and discovery, perfect for inspiring sweet dreams and imaginative thoughts at bedtime.